So hello everyone, good morning and good evening. So let's start today's session. Um, okay. So last class we are discussing about routing, right? So routing with the NGRX. So we were discussing it, and so today we are going to discuss about BigBasket, the BigBasket application. We already discussed the BigBasket application already, but that is without NGRX. Now we are going to discuss with NGRX. Okay. So now, mm, what we do is, can we load that project itself here? Okay, can we load that project here? Okay, I'll do one thing. Go to evening batch, fundamentals, uh, big basket application. So we have a whole setup, server also there. Let me copy the server once. Copy the server, keep it in this first tab. Okay, I have a server, and next, can I copy the SRC folder from there? Yeah, SRC. If I get SRC, anything goes. Um, no, I'll do one thing. Instead of SRC, can't we replace only app? Because app itself contains everything, no? Yeah. So let me delete this app folder. Let me get the app folder from there. Okay. So SRC, just app copy because I need notes and all as it is. So I'll paste it here. Because I don't want to develop everything from scratch because you already seen that. Okay. Fine. So I just replace what only app folder, so that actually contain the application code. So which contains one root folder, one products folder. So root folder contains the components like homepage and navbar. So these two like static components. And in products folder we have components, models, and services. We have models. All models, I mean all components belongs to here. Like big basket, whole components will be here. Uh, Let me open the application. Yeah, if you can recollect, this is what application we have developed earlier. So here, mm, yes. So this is the products page, and this is the admin page where you can create, update, and delete. Okay, so fine. So the source code is here. Admin page we have create product, we have list, update, everything is there. Models, I products, so which contains all the information about the product, and services also we have. Okay, so how to get all the products, get a single product, so everything we made it. And also along with that we also configured in the routing. So empty path is products component, mm, yeah, it's a products routing module, right? It says some warning here. It shows some warning. In app routing module we have path home component, products we have it, and products routing module we have all this. I think it's fine. Yeah, let me start this. Before that, I'll start my server. Okay, but problem is showing in the product routing module. Um, it says experimental support declaration about the future release. This is existing only, no? Okay, let's see the application first. So before that, let me start the server once. So in server, we have a whole code. If you can see the package.json, we have cars.env, mongoose, and all. But thing is, I removed the node modules folder from server. Let me install that node modules. So just say npm install. And meanwhile, let me open a database, Compass. Okay, so installed. So now let's say, um, come on, yeah. So now let's say npm start, and meanwhile let me connect to the database. And what is our database name? If we can go to the config file, config.env, yeah, BigBasket Angular, yeah, the same database I'm gonna use now, BigBasket Angular. Okay, so let's wait for the server. Yeah, it's Express server started and it's connected to MongoDB successful. And let me also see in my compass. Come on. Okay, so let me connect it to the local. Yep, here we have a BigBasket Angular. So in this we have two products already there. Okay, there are some two products already there, apples and potatoes we have already. Okay, super. So now let me start this application as it is without adding NGRX. Okay, let's see if it works fine, then we'll start doing NGRX to it. Okay, because hardly I only change app folder. I only replace the app folder, nothing else I change. But let's see what's happening here. Okay, just say npm start. Okay, so let's wait for this. Come on. Okay, so started successful, no error is showing, and yes, we got big basket, but only thing is colors and the background image was not changed. Okay, that's very simple thing. Actually, um you can go to what? Yeah, style.css. There in the landing page, you're supposed to give the BG crockery and also color. Let's say light green. You take. I think that's it. Okay, fine. So this is our application existing one. Home page, products. Yeah, I got the two products, apple and potato from database. Apple potato is working. And if I go to admin page, I got the admin page also. Perfect. And yeah, let me try something new. Let's check every functionality is working or not. So create product. Let me choose. I think desktop, big basket products. Let me add something called avocado. Avocado price some 95 rupees, 15 kgs for juice. Create. Yeah, it's working. It update in database as well. Fine. And if you wanna update this avocado, update. Update also working. I'll change to 105 rupees and some 26 kgs. Update. So it is updating, and also on my products page I got it done. And when I'm trying to delete that, when I delete, working. So when I go back here, refresh, is gone. Okay, super. So our application is up and running and there is no error while running the application. Okay, fine. So now we'll start configuring the NGRX for this application. Okay, so how to start configuring NGRX is, let me get the nodes. Existing nodes is we have NGRX effects and all. This is the nodes, but let me slightly modify the nodes. So let me right click, open Explorer. Yeah, let's open this. Yeah, NGRX configuration. You have to install all this. This is okay. This you need to add okay, and you have to create root level store and effect. It's fine. And here we have actually one module, right? What is the module we have in the app? We have a products module. Okay, we have a products module. So let's make this as products. In the products folder, you have to run this command, and wherever customers is there, make it products module. Okay, so store in the products module, effect in the products module. And you also create a reducer and action. So it's not customer, it must be a product. Okay, name is products, here also products, here also products. Okay, effect is product effect, product reducer, product action, and all belongs to product modules everywhere. So you have to be very careful while doing these commands, otherwise some other names will come. Okay, so root level is fine, app module, and this is products module, fine. The stocks and all we don't have. Okay, environment we have to change it. Okay, after that line, and folder structure goes to be, mm, it's not required. No, folder structure actually we have something else. We have actually root folder in that products folder. Okay, so this will be root folder in that components folder. In that we have home page and also navbar. Okay, and these things are not there. Okay, and so root level we don't have any services, no model. Okay, only products we have a services. So these things not required. Fine. Okay, and now um, yeah, there is a products module. In that we have components, services. We have, yeah, components, model, services, and we have to create actions, reducers, and effects. Okay, fine, and that's fine. And stocks is not required. Okay, and then what about the state information? So state, what you're supposed to do? State will be, this is what you are getting the whole products here. Okay, so get all the products. So I just take one, only one module, right? So that is just product, and these things and all not required. So loading required, error message required. This is gonna be the all products. Okay, and also one more thing I need, because when I click on update, the particular product you're going to receive from the server. Okay, so per particular id you get the particular product from the server. So it means the particular product also you have to keep in the local. So let's say selected product also should be there. Okay, fine. This is my you can just take this as null initial data, or just empty out I product, you can make it. Fine. So this is your state of this entire application called BigBasket. And so actions, yeah, we'll just create a setup and then we'll start creating actions, reducers and all. So first of all, so you have to install these four, because I use already the existing code setup. So when you see my existing package or JSON, there is, see here, NGRX FX store. dev tools, okay, and NGRX schematics, everything is there, okay. And let me just add this line for safe side. So go to terminal, let's open a fresh command prompt in the root level, let's paste it, enter. So it just add the schematics to the Angular, and then we'll start creating this things like store effects and all. Okay, installing the packages. It asks for a question, they say why. Come on. Okay, it's done. Now go to, yeah, this command we have to execute in the root level app folder or root folder anywhere. Copy that in the first tab, run this. So it creates a root level state, the whole application state. I mean this one, global state. Okay, it's made. Next, we have to create the root level effects. So let's copy that and paste it. Enter. So I think it may ask some question. Yes, yes. Okay. So now it is installed in the app effects and reducers, and it also does some configuration in the app module. So like store module, we have effects module, root effects. Yes, it is there. And so now check. See, it is enabled now. NGRX is enabled. So when you can see the state and effect configuration here, if you go to Redux, yeah, store and effect is initialized with some empty object. That's fine. Okay. Next thing is we have to create this module already created. Okay, I pasted no existing one. So this is not required. This is just to create a module, right? So then go to the products module and run this commands. Okay. So select the products folder, right click, open in terminal. Yeah, here. Um, copy the state one. Yeah, products.module.ts, correct one. Copy, paste it, enter. So this will create a red, state for this module level. And let's copy this one, paste it, enter. Y and Y. Okay. Next, these two, reducer and action, paste it. Y and Y. Okay, so lastly the action, copy, paste it, enter. Okay, and then you have to go to the index.ts file and update this one. So this is a small error it detects. So we have to configure this. So go to the products folder, reducers, index.ts. Yeah, this is the error, something dot slash extra to be added. That's fine now. Okay, fine. So we made the, I mean, we are done with the NGRX setup. Okay, the default files configuration. And now, yeah, let's create a state like this and configure it to the root level state, and then we'll focus on NGRX setup. Okay, so let's do this part. So where is that in the reducer initial state? So let's say loading of type boolean and customers of type IE customer. We already have it. not there, not customer, dude, products. Sorry, I products array, and selected product will be I product, and also error message will be just string. Okay, that's done, and let's make a default values of it somewhere here. Okay, so what I did is this false, and this is just empty array, this is just null, and this is just empty string. Okay, default data. So now before we concentrate on this reducer, first let's configure this reducer with the global state, because my global state is having just empty state. Correct. See the raw data, uh, this empty state is there. Let's make my this setup. So how to configure that is, you go to root level, some app fx, no, the reducers index.ts. Yeah, this is the root level. So let me import that reducer here. Okay, so import star as product reducer from dot slash products folder slash reducer folder slash reducer. Okay, and let's make that feature key and state. So product reducer dot product feature key. This is product reducer dot state, and also the reducer. So here product reducer dot product feature key value will be product reducer dot reducer. Okay, done. So once you have done this configuration in the global, you start detects the empty data here. See here, same as per the data product, and our default information is coming as per the documentation. Is done. So now let's focus on actions to do this things. Okay. So first of all, let me close all. First, let's start with, if you can see the diagram. Yep, here. So first, let's focus on actions. So let me go to the products folder, actions, product actions. Okay. So I have three actions. So I have to modify. So every action, actually, we have to perform four operations. Actually, I tell you what are the four operations. So let me focus on the action setup. Yeah, actions. Actually, what operations we are doing? Four operations. So one is what? Create a product. Before that, get get all products. Get all products. Okay, and get a single products for update, right? And create products, update product also, and also delete product. Okay, so five operations are there, and each operation is a combination of three actions. Okay, for every operation we need to have a three action, because success and failure also required, because every action deal with the server. Okay, so let me do this one, get all products, because that's the easiest one to see the data also. Yeah, so get all products. So go here, instead of doing this load products, can I say get products or something, or you can keep it as this load products. Okay, I'll just make like this, get all products. Okay, I'll make this as get all products. But can you do one thing? If I give some wrong name, and I have to go and change the service also, right? But already service is configured in my application, so let me give a name as per this my service. So if I go to my service, yeah, what is there, I'll make a same name. Okay, so get all products is there, because if you change the action, you have to change here, and you have to change in every component where it is use the service, because service is using to get data, no? So better, I'll do one thing, I'll just copy this method only, I'll give that only for all. Okay, get all products, and this is get all products success, get all products failure. So this is get all products success failure. Okay. So when you call a function called get all products in the service, see you're not providing any parameter here. You're not providing any parameter here. I mean, what's this called parameter only? Huh? You're not providing any parameter, so there is no props to configure here. Next, and once you receive the successful data from here, it returns what I product array. So it means if get all products successful, you will get back all the products of type I product array. Okay, and if it is failure, you get the string because we have configured the handling and all with string returns. Okay, so this is just get all products actions. Now let's make another one. Get a single product. Okay, so the next service will be what here? The next service will be get single product. Get product. You have to put the product ID and you get the single product and all this. Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's copy this entire story. I'll go to somewhere notepad, paste it. So get all products is there now. What is the name should be? Get a product. Okay. So I'll replace with get a product, replace all. Okay. So function name is get product success, get product failure. So it is just product, get a product success, get a product failure. Okay, fine. And let me just copy that and I'll make it in my actions. See a single product. Yeah, get product. But thing is, to get a single product, if you see the service, it is expecting something called product ID, and we know product ID is a form of string format, right? If you can see the uh, product ID is string format, so it must be a taking the string format. A single product can't we get it from state? No, we have a service for that. Okay, we need to get from the server. Okay, and here get single products. Yeah, let's make the what? See, actually, previously we used to get from all products only. We'll fetch the particular product, but the real thing is we have to get from the backend only. Okay, that time we don't have a function. That's why we have managed with that. But that's perfect way is this one. Okay, so let's make the props provided something called product ID of type string. So you must have to provide the product ID to fetch the data. Okay, fine. Next, once it is successfully received data, it returns what a single object called iProduct. So in the successful, you just get the single product, and this is not array; it is just a product. And error is string only. Fine. So it takes iProducts, gives the product object, and error is string. Fine. The next one will be create product. So create product is let's make a okay. So create products. So create product. What I do is function is create product only. So can we copy this? Go here, replace. Okay, so I need a name called create product. So get product I replace with create product, replace all. Done. And this will be get replaced with create. Okay. So create product, successful, failure, and all done. Copy. Go to actions, paste it. Yeah, we have create product, successful, and failure. Fine. And here for create product, what is the parameter you have to provide? For create products, you have to provide the product object itself because you have to fill in the form, right? So the whole product you are sending to server. So the product as a as a parameter. So let's make the props as a product and value will be I product. Okay. And in return, what you get? In return, you get the same, the created product. So in return also you get the same I product that's already there done. And failure string error, that's fine. Okay. So this looks good. Okay. Next what? Update product. So let's make it update product. Let me just copy all these three actions. Is already there. Yeah, let me change this to as per my service call update product. Copy. Create product wherever is there I replace with this one and replace all. Done. And then wherever create is there I'll replace with update. Okay, update product success and all done. Copy, go to actions and paste it here. Okay, so let's, oh, some blunder mistake here. Actually here create action. No, so that create also changed with update. That's a problem. Okay, don't worry. I'll just get the create action from here. Replace here. This create word also replace it. So you should be very careful while doing it. Okay. Okay, fine. So update product success failure. And now as per configuration of service, yeah, update product takes two things. The product, what is the form you are filling, and also the product ID, because ID will be in the URL, product will be in the request body. Okay, so you have to get two props you have to send. Okay, product and ID. So how you configure this will be, yeah, ID already there. Let's make the product will be I product. Okay, but here product first, product ID next. Better we'll take in the same order. Okay, anyway, it shows the error if you are sending in a different parameter, but I want to double confirm, so same order. Okay, so products, product ID to the service, like, and in return, what you get, the product object. So yeah, it is as usual product object, and error is just string. Okay, that's fine. So lastly, what delete product. So let's say delete product. Okay, so how I do is simply I grab this thing, replace. Yeah, here whatever update product is there, replace it with my delete product, replace all, done. And wherever update word is there, replace with delete, done. And let's copy this and go to actions, paste it. Yeah, for delete, what is the thing? I think for delete only just ID and you receive the product object. Okay, so only ID and that to the first one, only one, right? Yeah, only ID and returns is the whole product you receive. Yes, and error is error string, done. So total what? 5 into 3, 15 actions. So we made all the 15 actions here, done. Next step. So we, as per the design, we are finished with the action. Now let's make for each and every 15 actions. Okay, for every action, modify the state using the reducer. So how? Go to actions over. Let's start with, where is that reducer, product reducer. Yeah, here. So we already have this setup. Okay, so let's start with on. So can I say something called get all products actions now? Okay, on. Let me get all the actions to be imported because 15 actions are exported there. Okay, so let's import everyone just with one name. Import star as product actions from dot slash uh, Okay, actions folder slash product actions. Okay, so what I say here is product actions dot get all products. Okay, comma one state. Yeah, for get all products, it doesn't take any props. So you can just take only the state default one, and it returns a new state with what dot 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 existing state data, and provided the loading flag to be true. Okay, and that's it, nothing much. Okay, and then copy this. So protection dot get all products to success. Yeah, for successful, it takes the props as all products from the server. So extra along with the state, you have to define the props as products. So once you receive the products from the server, that I want to put it in my local with the name called products variable. So and loading will be false because once you receive data, stop the spinner, and products with my products what you receive from the service and all, that you put in the NGRX store. And one more thing, error, comma. This is get all products failure. So for failure, it takes error as a parameter. So this will take the error, and so it's supposed to keep in the error message. So let's take error message with the error. Fine. So this is all about get all the products. Okay. You can make all here only, but okay, fine. I'll just make all here. Okay, let's copy this. Next one. So get a single product. Get a product. So get a product. What you do? Can we get the same? Copy this. Paste it. Yeah, production dot get a product, and it doesn't. Yeah, this get a product takes one parameter called product ID. So let's catch the product ID. But this product ID you keep in the action. You keep in the store. Actually, uh, but product ID don't want to keep in the store. Not required actually. Then just ignore as of now. I'm not doing this. I'm not keeping that ID in here. It doesn't mean that every property you have to keep in the store. This ID I'll catch it directly from the from the action. I'll put it in the service. Okay. So this loading to be true. That's fine. Let's see if something wrong. We'll make it. I guess this no need to keep in the store. Okay. And the next one, copy that, paste it. So get product success. So this will take what the whole product as a response. Yeah, this is the product you have to keep in the local as a selected product. So single product you receive from there, right? So you receive what the single product, and this I need to keep make it false. Yeah, the product what you receive for a particular ID, thus I have to keep it in the selected product because this is what I have to populate on my update form. Update form already populated some data. No, that is this one. So I'll make select product is the product what you receive from the service. Done. And lastly, the error just like this one. No, copy this guy, paste it. Yeah, get to just product failure, and this is same as it is because this also expects the error. Okay, every error looks the same. Yeah, fine. And this is get a product. Now let's lastly starts with create. So create a product. Okay, how? Let me grab this. Yeah, protections dot create product. So this takes the whole product as a parameter. It returns also product. Okay, it will take the whole product as parameter. I'm not keeping this anywhere. I'm just directly send to the service. I'm not writing anything here. Okay, it's just a parameter to provide data to. Actually, from component we'll call this action. Okay, so this internally calling the service. So to receive the service with the data, this action is taking that one. So this you directly provide to service, not to keep in the local store. Okay. and copy this. Next, for create product success, you receive what? Product only. A product success, we receive the whole product. That is this one. And after creation, do we need to keep in the local? No, because see here, I'll tell you the flow. This is the page, okay? When I click on create new, you get this page. So you enter all the fields and click on create. Automatically, this will redirect to this page. Okay, so this page anyway getting all the products from server. Then where I have to keep the created products specially somewhere, not required. Okay, anyway, when you fetching all data, so this will get everything from the database. So where it doesn't require to keep the newly created object. If you want to show the newly created object somewhere, you have to do it. But everything is coming over here, no? So then no need to catch this guy. Okay, there's only confirmation that we receive it. Okay, and let's make the loading false. Okay, and lastly the error. I think this is the one copy. Okay, so get not get create product failure, same story, no change. So next update product, update product. So for update products, what to do? Okay, update product. What to do is let me copy this. Update product. Yeah, this is update product. Update product receives two parameters, product and ID, both. So product and also the product ID. So two things we receive. Nothing to keep in the local, only send directly to the service. And update product success. This is update product success. For success of update also you receive the product, but don't keep anything anywhere because I'm not showing the updated product also specifically somewhere. Just don't keep in the local. And also error, just like that. Copy the error, paste it. This is update product failure. Yep. So one last one is for delete product. So delete products. Let me get from here, paste it. Delete product. So delete product takes something called product ID. Okay, only product ID. So just make the only product ID. Don't keep anything here. And same like success and failure also just like that. Paste it. So delete product to success. Success also receive the whole product in a response, but don't keep anywhere. And delete product failure, receive the error, and just make the error like that. Okay, fine. So we have done the 120 lines. Okay, we are done with all actions configuration in the reducer. So now fully configured, action ready, reducer ready, and state also gets modified because state reducer already configured to the store. This three setup is done. So next thing is, yeah, service also ready because we are using existing projects. Service is already there. Then server all we already started. Only thing is effect. So fx module we have to do now. Okay, so this fx has to fetch data and connect to the action and all. Let me write. Let me focus on now fx. Yeah, go to the product fx. Product fx. Yep, here you have to inject the product service now because fx is connection with see effect is connection with service. So private um, product service of type capital product service, and yeah, let me write an effect just like get all the data, right? I think we have done this one no earlier, previous example. So angular evening NGRX, last example routing src app customers fx. This is the one. Okay, you have to just copy that. the same effect like this. Copy, paste it here. So this is what, as per my actions, get all products. Copy and paste it here. You have to import a lot of things. Okay, before that I will get all actions and all actions here. Okay, let me get all actions. So import star as product actions from dot slash uh, I think, yeah, actions slash product actions. Okay, so of type you can do control sorry, alt shift enter, and here also you can just make the map function and all. Okay, okay, so now let's see, this is what product actions dot get all products. Okay, so once you make this, you get the action, that's fine. So this is what, product service dot get all the products. So when you call get all products, you receive all the products from the service. So this is all products, all products. So these products you have to provide to the successful. So this is product actions dot get all products success and provided with all the products. Okay, and if any error, just make the product actions dot get all products failure with the error. Okay, that's fine. Okay, one effect. Let me test this effect and then we'll concentrate on the remaining things. Okay, yeah. So effect is ready to get all the products. And now see, we made the entire story. Okay, but here let's start with this page. Okay, so in this page, whenever this page has been loaded, you receive the whole products from the server and display here using the service injected from service directly, you get data and display. But now what, I need to get this data from the NGRX store. So what you do is, whenever this page is loaded, you need to dispatch an action, then that will get data from the server and all, keep in the NGRX store and get data from the store only. So when this page is loaded, here in the component, you dispatch an action to get all the products. Okay, fx is configured with service, it will get everything data as per its call successful action. Based on that, using reducer, it keep in the store and select the store data, and from component already binded, right? So we display binded, binding already there, right? Design and all already binded. So this connect to the variable which is binded, it will display. Okay, so let's go to the component. This is product list products component. Yeah, I'll go to components, list products ts file. Okay, so here, see, I was injected the service directly, right? Let's keep the service like that. I'll remove that later. Now let me get the store ones. Okay, so private store. This is of type global state. You have to give maximum number of dot star reducer, which is having more number of dot, that is a global one. You can check. Yeah, this is the one we have configured, right? Okay, so store is there. Let me dispatch an action here. Okay, so before I dispatch an action, let me import the actions and reducers here. So import star as product actions from dot slash, no, dot slash, I think dot slash action slash product actions. Next, import star as product reducer from dollar slash reducer slash product reducer. Okay, so now let me dispatch an action. Dispatch an action to to get all products and keep in the NGRX store. So from there you fetch it. Yeah, how to dispatch this dot store dot dispatch uh, product actions dot to get all the products, right? So whenever you call this action, it will get all the products and keep in the local. So check in database, I have two products. I need this products by this time to keep in the my store. So when you check once, yeah, this page has loaded. So when I can inspect, so because I have to check the redux, yeah, action triggered, get all products triggered and successful as there. And when I see the data, see data has come. When you see the chat, see the two products has come. This is what apple. This is potato. You can see the potato, right? Yeah, two products has received from server. Get products as called. Fine. Now data is there in the store. So get this data and display here. Already display logic is there. Get it and connect to the variable called products. Okay. So previously what we are doing, we are getting from the service. So this not required now. Okay, get from the store now. Let me delete this service or just comment it. Comment it. I'll delete it. Okay. Yeah. So now what you write is get all products data from NGRX store. How? This dot store dot pipe select select the feature key. So product reducer dot product feature key dot subscribe to the store, and here, yeah, here you receive the state. Yeah, this state contains everything and keep it in my local products. So now let's say this dot products is equal to state dot products. Done. And the error message will be this dot error message is equal to state dot error message. And if you want to make something called loading, so public loading of type just boolean, and so this dot loading is equal to state dot loading. Done. Okay, so I have commented this code getting from service. I only getting from the store, and if I can able to see the data, yes, I can see data now here. The same data, potatoes and all, I can see data now. Okay, so we are fetching data from NGRX. Even if you want even double confirm, you can remove the service. Okay, and you can also call remove the service call. So now check, it's a pure component which receives only data from the store, and dispatch get data from the store. Okay, there is no service involved. So now we successfully removed the service connection to component. Everything is involved with the store. Okay, so that is fine. And the same story, the same kind of logic I have to make in the admin also, because admin also just getting all the products now. But here it will display in a card format. Here it will display in a tabular format. So same logic, display in a tabular format. So only just get data and bind to the variable that will display however it want. Right? Display already there. So can we do one thing? Can we just copy this from here to here? Everything I'll copy. I copy. But wait, let's see what is the code earlier. Yeah, what page it is? Admin page. So go to admin ts file. Yeah, here we have a products error message. Yeah, this we can replace. Service is there, we can replace. Ng on it is there, we can replace. Yeah, super. So this variable constructor ng on it replace. So go to my list the products, this one, this all the three, copy, go to my product admin. Yeah, the whole thing delete, replace, done. So loading products, error message, ng on it, and all fine, but you get some error. Hmm. Okay. Actually, we did the logic only to fetch data from the store, that's fine, right? But in the same component, there is another logic, delete product. But now, as of now, delete product is not configured with NGRX. It still depend on the service. That's why it says, hey, I'm looking for a service. I take off the service. No, yeah, let's just for time being, I'll add service also because the delete product has to work. Because with this error, we can't proceed. It won't display the page only. So keep the product service as is. We'll do lastly, we'll delete. Okay, product service. Okay, let's just to satisfy the delete functionality. Okay, so it is done. So now only getting products is NGRX made. Now go check. Yeah, it's done. So this is working. Admin also working for it. NGRX. That's fine. Now let's start with create product. So when I click on create product, you have to enter all the fields and click on create. It will create a product and all right. So let me go to this component now. Let me close all the things. Yeah, go to create product ts file. Yeah, in this we have a product. It is attached to the form. Image file name error and all. It's an existing story. But see here, it is dependent on service. Okay, so by the time you click on the button called submit, I think somewhere this is select products. Okay, this is for image base64 format. Yeah, this is the one. Submit create product. Here I am doing service. See my component directly connected to service, and from service it is doing the create product. And once successful, it is navigating to admin page. Correct? Okay. So this whole story we have to do with the NGRX effect. Okay. So instead of doing this, we'll make it with NGRX effect. So what I do is let me write the effect because we have not done the effect for create. No. Go to the first focus on effects. Yeah. Only get all products is done. Let's make another effect. Let's copy as it is. This is I think action required. Where is my actions? Name will be create products. Copy create products. Okay, and here of type create product. So for create product, this also create product. But this service create product, it takes a parameter called a product. So that is there in the action. You can just say action dot product. You can provide as a parameter. But only one thing you have to remember is only for to gets data from server is merge map, and for remaining other things create, update, delete and all, it is just concat map. That's it. Everything is same as it is. But due to some performance and all, get product is merge map. This is just concat map. Okay, remaining same. So I get from action the product I send to the creator. So once it is created, you receive the single product from the service, and that I do create product successful, provided my just single product. Happy. Now this is create product failure error. Fine. Okay. So we have done successfully effect this part done. But one small, what one very important thing you have to understand here. Let's observe very closely. See here. Earlier, what happened in the create product? You do service call, right? See service call dot create product subscribe data. So this line indicates this function indicates that create product is successful. So by this time you execute the data. I mean, once you receive data from there, it is successful. Create product is successful. So once it is successful, then redirect to admin page. Correct. So what is my plan is I'm going to replace this entire code with dispatch an action called create product. So if you call a create product, immediately it doesn't mean that it is successful. Okay, you just call a create product, that internally calling create product success, create product failure, but we can't call directly create product success or what here. Okay, we can't catch it also. So where I have to write this navigation logic then? Actually, you only confirm in the fx. See, here it is create product successful. So if this is successfully executed, then your code is successful. Doesn't mean that you when you just call this action it is successful. No, internally it's called two things at all. Okay, if this is executed then successful, otherwise you get error. Okay, so I have to write this navigation logic once the product is created successful. So where I am supposed to write this logic is whenever this action got executed, it means you have to redirect to this page in the effect only. Okay, so how you redirect? This is nothing but a router. So let me import that router in my fx. Okay, observe very closely. Yeah, let's say private router of type router. Okay, I have a router injected to my fx. So now what I do is once a create product is successful, I want to redirect to the admin page. But where I write the logic, there is no place to write the logic here. You have to create something, a special kind of a function. Okay, what is that is, yeah, I think I written for previous batch. I show you, I explain how it is, just a small 2 3 lines of code. Morning batch Angular code, NGRX, BigBasket, SRC app, FX, yeah, not root FX, products, FX, here, yeah, here, see, after all the effects, yeah, this is what you have to do. So create product successful, redirect to list products page. So this is the one you have to write. Copy. I'll make it here in the last somewhere. Yeah. Okay. So create. Let's make the same comment. Product successful, redirect to what? Redirect to admin page, no? Admin page. Okay. So tab, I think you need to import. Okay. So here, see the same. What? Create product successful is there, na? Same thing you have to write here. I think it's create product success. One second. Create product success. Okay, it's a function name, man. Sorry. Yeah, create product success. Copy. Keep it here, and this is actual one. Okay. So create product of type create product successful. If that is made, then router.navigate to this is the path. So once it is successful, immediately this effect also triggered and it will redirect to this page. But path I think is the same. What is the path we written here? Yeah, it is a path different. Product slash admin it is. Copy. This will be what? Product slash admin page. Okay, fine. So this is the one. So once you have done with this, it will start working. Okay. So we made with the effect, and once successful, it will redirect to automatically this one. Okay. So now let's go to create component, the create product component. Here we don't need service, we don't need router. Okay, this both thing can be made by the effect. Okay, let me delete this. So private store of type capital store from NGRX of type state. This is coming from the largest reducers, the global one. Yes, correct. You can just confirm the feature key. Okay. Yeah. And also let me import the actions and reducers here. Okay, I have to call. and these two not required. No, router service not required. Yeah, so import star as product actions from dot slash action slash product actions. Okay, next import star as product reducer from dot slash reducer slash product reducer. Okay, so now what I do is here, yeah, submit product. You need to dispatch an action. That's it. No, these all will be take care by the I mean, these all will be take care by the effect. So this entire story not required. Just say dispatch an action to create a product. Okay, how to dispatch? So let's say this dot store dot dispatch. Yeah, dispatch product actions dot create product. Okay, but this create product expects something as a props. What is that is product will be my local product. So this dot product. Okay, done. And only dispatching an action. I'm not selecting anything from the state because I don't need anything to display here. See here, only one way it is. Okay. This page, what happened? You dispatch an action to get data, and you select the data to display. But for create product, when I click on this, is only just one way. You just fill in and send to the server, and that's done. Okay, so nothing to fetch and display something here after creation. That's not required because we have admin page to do that. Okay, so that's only what I'm doing is once I click on the submit button, I'm only just sending data to server. I'm just dispatching an action. Okay, and even once it is successful, I receive the product, but I'm not keeping that in the local anywhere, right? Yeah, so just dispatch an action, create product. This will take care about the effect routing and all internally, right? So that's done. um, Now check. Okay, let's see. Go to admin page. I have two products, event database also too. Obviously, this is coming from database only. Create products. What was there? Yeah, apple potatoes is there. Let's add something called avocado. Okay, uh, avocado is fine, and pricing is around I don't know, some 85 rupees, 36 kgs for juice, and click on create. What man? I created. Yeah, it's came. Okay, and you also check your uh, Redux. Is that action got triggered or not? See here, too many things. Get all product success. Get all product success. Okay, okay. I did multiple times now here and there. What is the product and all like that one. Okay, so create product is successful, and then immediately get all product also successful. After creation, it's come to this page, admin page. Admin page, we already configure what get all data from server. That is also triggered. Okay, so now you have a three records, and database also you check. Avocado has created. Super. So now creation with NGRX is done. Now let's click on update. Update is little tricky. So focus. Last date is simple. Yeah, update will be Apple is there. So when I click on update, is already working because it was not using NGRX, this default one, service directly. So here you have to dispatch two actions. So when I click on update product, when I click on update product, this page is loaded. Okay. So what I do is as soon as this page is loaded, I'll get the ID and dispatch an action to get a single product information for this ID. So that product information, I'll get it from the store, populate in the form. And then you manage the state change and all, click on update button, and then again dispatch an action to update in the database. So get from database, make it update in the local, update to the database again. Okay, so let's go to update product. So get the ID and dispatch an action to get a single product first of all, and then populate here. So just close all, go to uh, update product ts file. Okay, see here, but we have not done the effect for update. No, let's focus on the effect because we have not done the effect for update. Only create is done. Yeah, let's start with the effect now. Okay, this is for create product. Let's same like this. I need to copy, paste it. Yeah, I think as per the actions configuration, uh, it is what update products. Copy effect name also same. Okay, so product action dot update product. Yeah, for update products, you just dispatch and you call the service with update products, but this expects two parameters. One is you can see now. One is product and product ID. Okay, product already there, comma action dot product ID because I configured two things, so two has configured now. First product and then product ID here done, and then you receive back a product, and I don't need to do anything with that. This call what update product successful. Okay, and then this is also update product failure. And once update is successful, redirect to home page. So same like this, copy. Yeah, update product successful. This is the one. Yeah, update to product success. Update product success. Navigate to admin page again. Fine. But actually, we don't need this one now. Actually, we don't need this effect first. We need an effect. We need one effect to fetch data single product. Correct. Actually, we made after click on after click on update button that we made. Go to the admin page and all we made. But actually, first thing is get single product. That is the one we want actually, not this one. Okay, let's say get all products. Copy. So paste it. Yeah. Action will be what? Get product. Get products. Yeah. So just say get product, and here merge map action get product. You want to get a particular product, you have to provide the ID. So that ID will come from the action because already action is configured with props dot product ID. Okay, this action already contains the props now. That action dot product ID you catch, and then after you get the products, you receive what? You receive a single product, that is product, and the say get product success. The single product you keep it here, and error get a product failure. Okay, so no navigation required for get product. You just get data and keep in the local store. Fine. So we are done with this action, and update also we have done. So let's focus on actual thing. Yeah, update products. See here, product ID selected product. Okay, and activate route to service router. Yeah, see here on the page loads. Whenever this update product loads, I get the ID from the URL. This ID I'll get from URL, and then immediately this ID I'm sending to the directly service, and I get data and keep in the selected product. I don't want to do this service and all. I have to dispatch an action and then get this data from the store. Okay, to do that, let me configure the private. I remove the router and all later. Okay, so private store of type capital store. This is the global state dot reducer. You can cross check. Yeah, it's correct. Done. And also let me have actions and reducers import. So import star as product actions from dot slash dot slash action slash product actions. Next, let me import import star as product reducer from, I made a caps, reducer from dot slash reducer slash product reducer. Done. So what to do here? Dispatch an action. Okay, let's make a comment. Dispatch an action to get a single product and keep in the store. Keep in the store. Okay. Yeah. So what you do? This dot store dot dispatch product actions dot get product. Okay. You provided something like a object like this. Yeah. What was there? Product ID. That will be my this dot product ID. Product ID. Okay, the same product ID what you receive from URL that I'm sending to my action. So this action will take care about calling service and fetch data and keep in the store. Let's see is my store is filled with selected product or not. Okay, so go check. Whenever update product is loaded, it will dispatch an action. So go inspect Redux. There are some 7 errors. Cannot read property name of undefined. Where is that? HTML line number 20. Name is there now. Is this error already there? It says line number 20. Actually, you supposed to take some data earlier. Update product. No, at least empty data should be there here. That's a problem. Yeah, let's take some empty data. So underscore ID, I'll just take empty because if no data, first of all, you get that type of errors only. Yeah. So price is to be like this. Image to be like this, and information to be like this, and quantity will be like this. Okay, it's a number, right? Just say null, and quantity just say null. Okay, I think now it's proper. Refresh, dude. Okay, super, no error. Got data, fine. But let me check my Redux. Yeah, so get the product triggered, get product success also made. Right. So when you see the selected product, see data is there already. So state chart, see the selected products already filled with name called Apple because I select Apple, no? That's why. Yeah, so data has been there in my selected product. Get it and keep it in my uh, form. Yeah. So thing is, I'm actually getting from the service and keeping the here. Don't do that now. Let me get from the let me get from the store. Yeah. So get the selected product information from NGRX store and populate on the form. Okay, so this dot store dot pipe, in that you do select product reducer dot product feature key dot subscribe. Okay, here you receive what? You receive the state. Okay, you receive the state that I keep it in my local. This dot selected product is equal to state dot selected product. Fine. We have an error message. Yeah, it's there. So I say this dot error message is equal to state dot error message. If you want to make something called loading flag, so public loading boolean. Okay, let's make the boolean as well here. So this dot loading is equal to state dot loading. Okay, done. So there is no service call. Okay, here only action call. Action gets data and keep it the populate in the form. Let me check now. I go to something here. Yeah, it's dispatch an action. I got data also. If you got data means it is successfully done the process. Fine. Again, it shows some error. Cannot read property name of null. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, first time before I get data from the server, it's making name of null because in my store I made as null. I think 1 second. Go to reducer. Where is my reducer? Product reducer. Here I actually made this guy is null. That's why I can't able to get data initially, right? Let's take empty data. Some ID, just empty. Okay, initial data. So name will be empty because the same error we got in the HTML also. And image, image empty string quantity null. It's a number, so null, not bool null. Uh, Lastly, information null, empty string. Okay, if this is the case, then you get a proper one. Okay, so we got data. There is no error as of now, and it is successful. Got data. Fine. So now what? I want to update the form and then send to the server. Okay. So let me print the form as of now here. Is it really updating this or not? We'll see. So updater. Yeah, let me get the products display in a string format on my HTML somewhere above the somewhere on the top. Here I'll make pre-tag X, uh, selected products JSON format. Okay, so let's see this. Yeah, data is there. So when I'm trying to change the apple to something else, see I'm changing, but it's not updating the state. So without updating, how can you send this to server? Yes, we have to update this first. Maybe you are getting some error. Yes, you are getting huge amount of error. Cannot assign to read only property name of object. Okay, okay. Actually, here, right, while updating, this is just ng model we are using, so that is not work as of now. So what I do is I want to just see my focus is when I'm changing it, it's supposed to update that my local form data, right? So as soon as it is updated, I'll send it to server. So previously we used to get data from the service, so it's supposed to update because local, but now this data has received from the status, so you can't modify the state just like that. Okay, so let me bind this manually. Okay, for each. Okay, can we do one thing? Update component for each input field. Don't do this ng model and all. Can I say something called uh, on change or input event? Then I'll do okay, update input provided an event. Okay, update input event. Yeah, I'll just get this. I create that method somewhere here. Public update input. So this receives the event. Okay, so this I manually update to my selected product, the selected products. So how I do this dot selected products is equal to an object. So dot this dot selected product as it is. And extra what I do is event dot target dot name provided with event dot target dot value. So I'm just doing a manual update to my local state. Yeah, let's see. Is it really working? And what is the name given? A name given as name only. I think name, correct. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Back here, I have a data Apple. When I'm changing it, yes, super. It is updating here. Perfect. Okay. And let's also make price, quantity, and all. Same story. Copy this. Image little different. Keep it as it is. Image little different. This guy price update event. This is also update event. This is also update event. Okay. So fine. So let's take all except image. Image will do in a moment. So Apple, I do something updating. So price it was 95. I changed to something updated. Quantity 25 update for juice updating. Fine. So image, what is there in the image? Uh, Everything is fine, but select image. Yeah, change event. Image is there. Yeah. Here, what are we doing? Oh, we are already doing it now. This dot selected product dot image is equal to result. Oh, this is already there. I think this will work. Let's try. Image already there, so not to change anything. Yeah, it is something like A9 AS something is there. I changed to some other image. Open. Yeah, it is changed. Okay, super. It's changing. Right. Beetroot. It updates means it's changing. Yeah, fine. So everything is updating. So now what? The moment I click on the update, this change of data sent to the server, and that will redirect to home page and all we have already seen. Okay, so first of all, let me remove that pre-tag here, not required. You already confirmed it is updating. Yeah, so what I do, submit product. Yeah, here you'll need to do the service call and all. Let me delete this entire service story. Dispatch an action. Dispatch an action to update the product. Okay, how? So this dot store dot dispatch an action what product actions dot update product. But update product you have to provide multiple things, right? You have to provide the ID and first of all, let's make it. You have to put the product ID. How to get the product ID? Can I get from selected products? Yeah. So this dot selected product dot underscore ID is my update ID, comma product will be this dot selected product. Okay, so both the things I'm providing here for this function. Okay, dispatch update product with these two. Okay, so this will internally take care about the effect and redirection also. Let me try now. Yeah, so go to admin. Yeah, Apple 95 rupees is there. Apple 95 rupees is there. Update. I got data. I'll make it to 105 rupees. Update. Yeah, it's gone to admin. 105 rupees. Super. So when I just refresh, 105 rupees updated. This for confirmation. I want to update the image. Image I'll update to something else, avocado or something capsicum. Open. Oh, it was working now. Update. Let's see. Yeah, Apple only there. Okay, then something wrong there. Browse capsicum. It's made no. You get the console error. Cannot assign to read only property image of object. Oh, now we are getting the error. Dude. Okay, fine. I know how to fix it. Yeah, I get the image here just like that. Okay. Can we write something like This is just directly updating. I don't want to update just like that. So yeah, can we write something? Event listener of load. The result is there. Written. Actually, why written statement here? Okay, I write like this: if reader dot result is there, then I update this dot selected product is equal to an object, and dot this dot selected product comma image will be my string format of this guy. That's it, and this is not required. Let me comment it now. Yeah, I'm updating manually my local product image only, na? Yeah, image. So I think it will work. See, yeah, I think go to admin, Apple's update. Let me select the Apple page. Uh, I just select capsicum. Yeah, it's made capsicum update in place of Apple. I need capsicum. Super. And I update back to Apple. Open update. This came back Apple. You check the console log. No error. See the console log. No error. That's fixed. Okay. So lastly, delete. We have to make the effect for delete and then write a logic. So lastly, yeah, last 5 minutes. Um, product effects. Let's make the delete logic just like update. We need delete. Copy this effect. Yeah, here action. Where is action? Action. Delete product. Copy. Uh, um, effects. Delete. Yeah, this is delete products. Action. This is delete products. You will receive the product ID you have to provide to delete, and then this is delete product success. This is delete products failure. Okay, and also last time what we did is once the delete is successful, we'll reload the component. Right, once delete is successful, we'll reload the component. So how we reload the component is in the admin component. Where is admin components? Yeah, in admin component, when you see the delete logic, see here. When delete logic is done, when delete logic is done, uh, okay, I'm just doing what? I am doing get all the products one more time. Okay. So then I can just dispatch an action to just get all right. But thing is, when I delete product, if it is successful, then get all products call one more time. So how can I call action one more time? Delete, but delete successful is here, na? In the fx. Delete successful is here. So if that is there, can be dispatch an action, then okay, can we make something like that? Action dot pipe create action success. Okay, something I got a doubt here. Earlier, what we used to do is, yeah, one second, let me go to the products, um, components, uh, list of products. Yeah, here, delete product, you just dispatch an action called delete product, correct? Okay, then what about the effect? When delete product is happen, you will reload the component. Oh, okay. You did this way. Copy this, mm, paste it here. Yeah, when delete property is successful, reload the same component. So if it is reloaded, it will get data from there. Yeah, so slash, I have to just say admin page back. This is just to reload the component. If it is successful, delete product is successful. Okay, fine. So let's simply call delete when admin. Where is admin? Admin. Yeah, here I just don't do anything like this. Delete everything. Just make only this dot store dot dispatch product actions dot delete product, and provided what, provided the property this dot, no, what is that, product id will be this dot, oh, I already have it, no, product id this parameter. Yeah, done. Okay, fine, and I don't need to have a service here. Yeah, let me remove the service at last. No service required. Okay, and also in update component also somewhere service is there. Yeah, service not required, router not required, delete as it is. Oh, activate route is required. Yeah, update product I removed service call because no service required here, no service involved. Okay, and create we already remove, admin also we remove. In admin product, admin also only store is there, nothing is there. That's fine. Now check from scratch. Okay, so here let me delete now avocado, deleted. That's super, done. Okay, so successfully working. We already tested a create and all, na? Yeah, go to home page, get all the products. So two products, admin page, we got it. Create product now. Let me just add something called um, lemon. So lemon price 25 rupees. I think some 50 kgs juice create. So it's create the lemons here, and you want to update the 25. See, if you go to product also, you got lemons over there 25. So I update it. So go to update of lemon. I update to 36 rupees. Update. So updated to 36 rupees. Go to products, 36 rupees. Go database, 36 rupees, done. And finally you click on delete of lemon, it's gone. Okay, if you go database, refresh, gone. And also please check your console.log, console, no single error, and Redux is full of your actions. Okay, fine. So successfully we did this with NGRX, and the next class tomorrow we are going to start with authentication with NGRX. Okay, the events booking application convert to NGRX, right? So please practice on this, and let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.